Hello everyone! In this video, I will guide you on how to get an appointment with the Poland Embassy and how to fill the visa application form for your studies or work visas in 2023 and years to come. I have been asked multiple times in emails, in the comment section, and in Instagram to please guide us on how to get an appointment with the Polish Embassy. So in this video, I will tell you the complete 100% authentic and genuine process to get an appointment with the Polish Embassy, and I will teach you how to write an email to the embassy with a live demo. And I guarantee you, if you follow the given instructions, then you will be getting the visa appointment 100%. But before I jump into the video, please subscribe to this channel to get a solution to all your visa and immigration problems free of cost. Now back to the video. For an appointment with the Polish Embassy, first of all, you need to have the admission acceptance letter from Polish university. And if you want to know how to apply for admission in Polish universities and what documents you are required to get an admission, please check my other video. Links are in the description. Now, there are two types of admission acceptance letters. 1. Conditional acceptance letter, and 2. Confirmed admission acceptance letter. If you write to the embassy with your conditional acceptance letter, then 90% of the chances are that you won't be getting any response from the embassy. To get an appointment with the embassy, the first and foremost requirement is to have a confirmed admission letter from a Polish university. Now let me explain to you what a confirmed admission letter is and how to get one. When you apply for any program in Polish universities, first of all, they will write you an email that you have been selected for a program. In addition to that, you will get details for university fee deposit. To confirm your spot at university, you need to deposit that fee. Once you do that, you will get a confirmed admission letter. Then you have to write an email to the embassy or consulate in your home country in the following format. Now you can change the wording of email as per your wish. You can be more formal, but do not forget the keywords of email like name, father name, passport number, admission letter, fee deposit slip, national visa, etc. Once you send an email to the embassy with all these details, you will get an email where they will be providing you the link to the application form with an access date and time. Please make sure to go to the application portal and fill up the form within the given time, because it's very difficult to get a second access to the application. Furthermore, you will be getting some instructions like: do not register the application, instead save it. Attach your application form number. Now let's talk about how to fill the visa application form. Go to the link you are watching on your screens. You can find this link in the description as well. Once you open the link, page will look like this. Here on the right corner, you can change the language in English. After changing the language, you need to type the country name where you want to make an appointment. India, Pakistan, Philippines, Vietnam, Africa, whatever your country is. As an example, I will type India here. Then click on the result below to see the consulate office in India. As you can see, currently they have two consulates, one in Mumbai and other in New Delhi. Let's click on Mumbai. On this page, here on the left side menu, you will see two options. First is a national visa and second is a Schengen visa option. Schengen visa form is for visit purpose, so click on this national visa form. Once you do that, you will be landing on the visa application form, as you can see on the screen right now. You get very short time to fill up this form, so make sure to have the following documents with you to fill up this form. 1. Your passport. 2. Your admission letter. 3. Your bank statement. 4. Your sponsor's details. 5. Business and tax documents. 6. Job and experience certificates. 7. Proof of your accommodation. And 8. Travel itinerary. Once you have all these documents, you can fill up this form in 10 minutes. Then check all these boxes of terms and conditions and then next. After that, please do not register this from on the website. Instead, save it as a PDF file. And then send it to the embassy on the given email address. Once you send your fully filled visa application form by email, then you will be informed about the appointment date with the embassy on your email address. Now here is a very important thing you should keep in mind. Do not send your documents with your application form by email to the embassy. As far as I remember, you may be getting this instruction in the email as well, but I'm not sure. So in a nutshell, it is important to follow the instructions given in the email to get an appointment. So guys, that's all about the Poland visa appointment and how to fill the application form. In my next video, I will be giving you the full list of questions you may be asked at the embassy during your interview, so you can prepare for your interview well. If you like this video, please hit that like button and share it with your friends who are facing the appointment problem with the Polish embassy. And don't forget to subscribe to Travel Range, and I will see you in the next one.